So in this video, I'll show you how to use Ktor. This Ktor is a Kotlin-based HTTP client from JetBrains. So you use this library to make network calls or network requests in your Android application. I'll teach you how to configure it, create a client, and then make a real API request and display the result in our application. So this is the result of what we are coming to create. We have this food menu API that we're going to connect to and then fetch and display just like this. This page has a free API that you can access the meals and then their detail as well. So we are going to use this one to list all the menu. So this is how the API response is. Yeah, so we'll convert this to this beautiful UI over here. So if you are ready, subscribe to the channel, like this video and share. Let's get started. So first of all, let's create a new project. The first dependency we need to add is the bill of material. Now you require two main dependencies to start using the Ktor client. The first one is the Ktor core, and the next one is the Ktor engine. Then now you are ready to make a request. But you know that when you make the request, the response that comes, this is how the response is. And we need to convert this to Kotlin data class. So we will need something to serialize and then deserialize this response. So to do that, you have to add two extra dependencies. Finally, for the serialization to work, you have to come to the plugin and then add this plugin. So the first thing to do is to create an object that will be used throughout the entire application. So you create your Kotlin select object and then I'll call it network client. Inside this object, we have to create an instance of the HTTP client. So here you pass the engine, which is CIO, and you import this one. Then you bring this block. So inside this block, you configure the HTTP client. You use the install block and then you pass the actual plugin, which is content negotiation. So you select this one and now you configure